Hey, this is Jason with Novatac again. Today I'm going to show you how to install and operate your Novatac Dual Remote Tailswitch. Today we'll be using a black remote switch and a Novatac Special Ops. First thing you're going to want to do is take your light and make sure it is operating properly. Alright, go ahead and remove the single button tail switch and install the dual remote switch. Make sure you're nice and tight. Get your battery detect in there. And you'll notice the remote switch has one button on the cap, slightly raised, and then it has a 5-inch cable with a pressure pad. You can activate the light just as you would normally by clicking on either the tail cap switch, and you can also remotely operate the light at 3 distinct areas of the remote switch.